हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ सुरभि सिंह और आज मैं इस पर्टिकुलर प्लेलिस्ट में जो सेलुलर कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने कंप्लीट किया था उसके बाद मैं इसमें नया टॉपिक ऐड करने जा रही हूँ, दैट इज़ ऑप्टिकल कम्युनिकेशन। जैसा मैंने आपको बताया था कि एडवांस कम्युनिकेशन में अलग अलग डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स का कॉम्बिनेशन है। अभी मैंने इसके पहले वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन की जो कुछ पार्ट्स थे उसको कवर किया हुआ है, एंड नाउ वी विल कवर ऑप्टिकल कम्युनिकेशन एंड आफ्टर दिस वी विल कवर सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन। So let's begin with the subject optical communication. In optical communication, I will cover the topic overview of optical fiber, like what is the working of optical fiber, advantage, disadvantages, functions of optical fiber, and what are the signal distortions come in a optical fiber, and what are the dispersion. Many of the question has been asked from these two topic like distortion and dispersion. Now we will talk about the optical sources, that is laser and LED. Then after that I will talk about the source to fiber power launching, and then after this optical receiver operation, in which I will talk about the photodiode and pin diode. So let's begin with the introduction of optical fiber. Why we use optical fiber? In electronic communication, optical fiber are preferred over a copper wires because they are extremely light, small, and can be accommodated in a small places. Earlier for a communication we used to prefer copper wires, but now we are using optical fiber. So in electronic communication, optical fibers are preferred over a copper wire just because the optical fibers are extremely light, they were small, and they accommodated in a small spaces. So the prelims question can be asked that what are the disadvantages of copper wire that can be overcome by a optical fiber. Then you can say that the copper wire was bulky. So the first concept of optical communication was originated by Alexander Graham Bell. तो सो बेसिकली जो आपका ऑप्टिकल फाइबर होता है, इसकी वर्किंग एंड फंक्शन से क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं, ये कितने टाइप का होता है इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। सो ऑप्टिकल फाइबर बेसिकली कंसिस्ट ऑफ टू पार्ट्स, कोर एंड क्लैडिंग। द इनर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड कोर एंड द आउटर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड क्लैडिंग. It consists of a core made up of dielectric material which is surrounded by cladding, that is called cladding, made up of dielectric material of lower refractive index. Keep in mind that the refractive index of core is higher and the refractive index of the cladding is lower. It mostly made of glass or a plastic. You will see the diagram and you will keep in mind that the core is inner side. This is called core and this is called cladding, and after cladding you use the coating to cover the whole optical fiber. An optical fiber is a thin fiber of a glass or a plastic that can carry light from one end to other, like from one area to another area, from one city to another city. You can see in broadband connection in a BSNL, now we are using an optical cable to use the Wi-Fi, and the speed of the optical cable is much more than the speed of using copper wire and etc. So core, cladding and a coating. Just remember the refractive index of a core is higher, cladding का refractive index कम होगा, and coating उसको protection के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है ताकि जो light rays हम core के अंदर यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो बाहर ना जा सके. Now, what is the use of cladding? If the light is traveling from the core, then what is the requirement of the cladding? Cladding just do the covering of the core, nothing else. Even though light will propagate along the fiber core without the layer of cladding material. अगर हम cladding को नहीं भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो जो हमारी लाइट होती है वो आपकी कोर के थ्रू फ्लो कर रही होती है, बट क्लैडिंग का काम होता है कि जो भी आपकी जो लॉसेस हो रहे हैं, ये जो लाइट थोड़ी बहुत बाहर चली जाएगी अगर कोर से, उसको वापस से कन्फाइन करके वो कोर के पास लाए, यानी रिड्यूसेस द लॉस ऑफ लाइट फ्रॉम द कोर इनटू अ सराउंडिंग एयर, रिड्यूसेस स्कैटरिंग लॉसेस एट द surface of core, protect the fiber from absorbing surface contaminants, adds mechanical strength. For extra protection, the cladding is enclosed in an additional layer called the coating and buffering. The coating or buffer is a layer of material used to protect optical fiber from a physical damage. You can see the optical fiber cable in your house, in your nearby area. The optical fiber cable is basically used to communicate data, information, voice, video, to transfer from one side to another side. Now, this is the basic function of the optical fiber. In the next video, I will explain the whole concept, like what is transmitter, what is fiber, and what is receiver. In this video I'm just giving you a summary. In the summary, that if you use, suppose you have to send some data, like I am sending some information like my voice, something in PDF, something in video. So what is this form? This data is in the form of verbal something, or something in is written. So you have to convert this data into an electrical form. Please keep in mind, you have to convert this data into electrical form. So for this you have to use transducer. Transducer used to do convert the information from raw data to an electrical signal, and after this electrical signal you cannot send this electrical signal into an optical fiber, because optical fiber only uses light wave. So we use optical sources, यानी जो हमारा इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल आया हमारे ट्रांसड्यूसर से, उसको हमें ऑप्टिकल सिग्नल में कन्वर्ट करना है. इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल मतलब वो करंट के फॉर्म में है, और ऑप्टिकल सिग्नल हमें उसे लाइट के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, जिसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? ऑप्टिकल सोर्सेस. ऑप्टिकल सोर्सेस में बेसिकली क्या आता है? लाइट एमिटेड डायोड. लाइट एमिटेड डायोड क्या करता है? इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल को ऑप्टिकल सिग्नल में कन्वर्ट करता है. इसके अलावा लेजर भी यही काम करता है. Suppose now you change the data from electrical signal to optical signal and you send this data to a optical channel. Optical channel मतलब एक वायर पर आपने ये डेटा को भेज दिया. But at the receiver side, what you have to receive? You have to receive, like I have said, hello. You have to receive hello, not any light wave. So you have to convert this optical signal again into a electrical signal. So for this you will use pin diode, photodiode. So optical detector means pin diode or a photodiode, which convert the optical signal into an electrical signal, and after this you will use electrical receiver, which changes the electrical data to basic information like what you have sent. Like I have sent a voice note like hi, then the electrical signal will convert this data into a raw data जो आपका ओरिजिनल आपने भेजा था. सो ऑप्टिकल चैनल जो है ये आपका काफ़ी दूर तक की डिस्टेंस को ट्रैवल कराता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द ट्रांसमीटर, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर एंड रिसीवर. Now this is the whole summary. The transmitter consists of two parts that I said, LED and laser, and the source drive circuit. In the receiver, again you will convert the optical signal into electrical signal. Then you will use pin diode and avalanche photodiode and the signal conditioning circuit. I will explain with the block diagram in a next video. The transmitter converts the electrical input signal to an optical signal by varying the current flow into their light sources. And these are the advantages and disadvantages of the optical fiber and optical communication, which can be asked in UPSC prelims by given which of the following is not the advantages of optical communication. So the advantages are wider bandwidth, low transmission loss, dielectric waveguide, immunity to crosstalk, small size and weight, signal security, material cost, reliability. The disadvantages are joining cables, like you have to join one optical cable to another optical cable, then you will have to suffer the losses of joining cables. I will explain in a further slides. Bending cables, जब आपको bend करना होता है तब आपके losses ज़्यादा होते हैं. Slow standard development, optics for transmission only, gamma radiation and electric fields. तो ये आपके disadvantages हो गए. Now we will talk about the applications, and applications is inner office में, intercity, intercontinental links में हम voice communication करते हैं. वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग की बात करते हैं तो टीवी ब्रॉडकास्टिंग एंड वीडियो फोन्स जो आपकी कॉल्स होती हैं अब आजकल वो ऑप्टिकल फाइबर कम्युनिकेशन को यूज़ करके हो रही हैं. Now there are the basic type of optical fiber. These are very important slide I will discuss in the next video, that what are the multi-mode fiber, single mode fiber. Again optical fiber will classified into two parts, step index fiber and a graded index fiber. So we will cover this topic in the next video. Please like, subscribe and share to your friends. This video will be helpful for those who are preparing for UPSC prelims examination. Thank you.